BRIO World 33736 Grand Roundhouse in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 1,200 ratings and 191 reviews. 91% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said grandson loves it. Our 3-year-old grandson loved his roundhouse to add to his Thomas items. Loves putting the trains to bed the roundhouse when their work is done for the day. Smiley face. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. A bit too large and we found it cumbersome. My grandsons and the whole family loved BRIO train sets, etc. This piece, however, was too cumbersome and the individual doors didn't open smoothly. My grandson played with it for a very short time, then abandoned it. We returned it and Amazon was awesome with the ease of return and refund. That's it.